Learn English with MU.
The manuscript remained unpublished for ages due to legal complications. Since completing his PhD, he has been lecturing at several prestigious universities. I haven't felt this motivated since I launched my own business. It's like a reset. The committee reviewed the proposal for 2 consecutive days before reaching a consensus. The organization has expanded significantly since it was founded. Since the summer, the town's population has grown by nearly a quarter. They operated without external funding for 5 years, demonstrating impressive financial discipline. This method has proven effective for a wide range of applications in both industry and academia. He has been working on that novel since the beginning of the year. Her work has gained international recognition since the publication of her first paper in 2012. The experiment has been running for a controlled period to ensure consistent results. The committee reviewed the proposal for 2 consecutive days before reaching a consensus. She has been contributing to open-source projects for the better part of a decade. Since the deadline was extended, we've had more time to refine the proposal. We have been running performance audits since we detected that first major drop in user engagement. He remained silent for the duration of the meeting, which was unusual for someone typically outspoken. They have been trying to sell the house for several months now, but have had no luck. Since moving to the city, he has adapted quickly to the fast-paced lifestyle. He has been freelancing since the company eliminated his department last year. She had been struggling with burnout for months before she finally resigned. She had been contemplating the career change for several months before finally resigning. The negotiations continued for nearly 6 hours without a break, highlighting the complexity of the issue. She has been hinting at leaving since her promotion was denied, though she hasn't acted on it. She has been overseeing the international research collaboration for over 5 years, ever since she was appointed director of the institute. I have been meaning to call her since last week, but something always came up. The company had been stable for decades until the market crash. We have been negotiating for several days without a breakthrough. He hasn't missed a single meeting since he got that warning from HR. The system has been crashing intermittently since the last update. We have been negotiating for several days without a breakthrough. We had been corresponding for a while before finally meeting in person. She has been researching this topic since her postgraduate days. We had been corresponding for a while before finally meeting in person. Sales have been declining since the new competitor entered the market. The team's been on edge since the announcement of layoffs. She has been cautiously optimistic since the committee reversed its initial decision. They had been co-authoring papers for several academic cycles before tensions arose. Due to the power outage, all classes will be conducted online for the rest of the week. I haven't attended a single networking event since the conference in Berlin. The document had remained classified since 1973 until it was declassified last year. The two firms had maintained a silent rivalry for over a century. The server remained offline for exactly 72 hours while the engineers worked to fix the critical bug. Revenue has been on a slow decline since the tax reform was enacted. She volunteered at the shelter for 6 consecutive months before moving to a new city. She has been working remotely for the better part of the year due to ongoing office renovations. The app went viral for a ridiculously short period before users lost interest and moved on to the next trend. Public sentiment has remained largely negative since the pricing restructure was implemented. I haven't seen engagement levels this low since we switched platforms. Productivity metrics have been skewed since we introduced the hybrid work model. The patient was advised to avoid alcohol for the full course of treatment to ensure the medication's effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, please like and share the channel. Thank you for watching.